Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 34. Dear children, today we will read about addition. Addition means putting together or adding two or more numbers to find the sum. Sign of addition is called plus. Look at these pictures. I have two sparrows. I have three sparrows. We can show them all together. We use plus and equal to write it. How many sparrows are there all together? We show them in another way. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Look at these balloons and say 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now you see some fishes in jars. In the first jar, there are 3 fishes. In the second jar, there are 4 fishes. If you start counting them all together, they will be 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Hence, there are 7 fishes in the third jar. STEAM activity. Students roll dice, add 3 and 4 numbers, count with fingers, and calculate the sum. You can perform this activity in groups. Start counting from the number your dice shows and add accordingly to get the sum. Good luck. Think and tell. There are 4 blue cards and 3 yellow cards in a toy set. How many total number of cards are there? Add 4 to 3 and you will get the total number of cards. The answer will be 7. That's great indeed. Dear teachers, clarify the concept of addition using concrete objects, pencils, erasers, rulers, lunch boxes, buttons, etc. Tell them how sets are formed when blocks or other items are added to one another. Show them flashcards and charts to explain the concept of addition. Involve them in hands-on activities, building towers, matching pairs, etc., and group learning. Help them with STEAM activity. Have a nice day.